Worried about hidden gold IRA fees that could eat into your retirement savings? You're not alone. And the tricky part is, a lot of these fees are buried in fine print most people never read. Let me show you where to look so you don't get caught off guard. Let's start with the most common fees to watch for. First is the setup fees. These are one-time charges just to open the account. Next is the annual storage fees. These vary depending on whether you choose segregated or non-segregated storage. Third, it's the maintenance or admin fees. These are often flat yearly charges. And lastly, the spread. This one's sneaky. It's the markup between what you pay for the metals versus what they are actually worth. So how do you spot these in real life? You can pull up the company's fee schedule, and if they don't have one publicly listed, that's already a red flag. Also check the contract or custodian agreement, especially any section labeled cost, fees, or compensation. And here's the key. Ask them directly. What's the total all-in cost to open and maintain this account? A reputable company should be able to give you a clear breakdown with no surprises. If you want help spotting hidden fees, I've linked a free guide in the description. It's called the Free Silver Scheme Report, and it walks you through the most common fee traps gold IRA companies use and how to avoid them. It's completely free and it could save you thousands in surprise cost. Click the link in the description to get your copy of the free Silver Scheme Report before you invest.